Hello friends, my name is Jannat. I hope you guys are fine. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for joining me in this course. Today in this lecture, I'm going to tell you what is domain name and what is URL, and I'll let you know about practical demonstration of a domain name. And I hope at the end of this video, you guys should be able to understand the difference between them. You should be able to understand the domain name, the URL. So let's start the video. Now the question is, what is domain name? Domain name is actually a unique name of your website which represent the URL. And what's URL? URL represent the address of your website. URL actually stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It actually specifies the address of your website on World Wide Web. URL stands for Uniform Source Locator, and it specifies the address of your website on www. So let me show you an example. Just wait a second. There you type www.bbc. There you go. I'm just giving an example. Just a second. Now, as you guys can see, this www.bbc.co.uk, this is domain name. This is the domain name. BBC is basically a domain name, and this www.bbc.co.uk is a URL which represent the website where we can find the website when you will be able to search anything. Let's suppose you are creating your own website. Let's suppose my channel name is JS Series and I am creating my website with the name of JS Series. So let's suppose I want to make my website name is www.jsseries.com. So that name would be my domain name, which will allow people to collaborate with me, to contact with me. Here you can see when we will search with this domain name, with this URL, we'll be able to find the website, or we'll be able to find their page. So this is the process. This is called domain. This is URL. I hope you guys should be able to understand now. Domain is a name of your website. It always be unique. I mean, there is no duplication in it. It should be and it must be a particular one. Domain is a unique name of your website, and URL it specifies the address of your website. So today that's all. Still, if you guys have any questions or queries, get back to me. So ask me anytime in comment section or in my business email section. I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next lecture.